Welcome to the Top Foreign channel. I'm here to teach you about one of the simplest methods to earn money through affiliate marketing. I have conducted extensive research to provide you with all the necessary information. By following this approach, you can potentially earn up to $10,000 per month. I understand that you're eager to know the secret, so let me explain it to you. To begin, you'll need to visit Google. Once there, search for online marketing tools that assist businesses. Use keywords like best marketing tools for business in the search bar. This will generate a list of results from which you can choose. Don't worry if you don't have a business yourself. I'll explain why that doesn't matter. Now you want to find specific types of websites that meet your requirements. Take some time to scroll through each website and assess their professionalism. Look for indicators like reviews, both on the website itself and on platforms like Trustpilot. These reviews will give you a good idea of which websites are the most reputable. I have identified the websites Wishpond and ActiveCampaign as excellent platforms for you to use. They appear professional and are great examples. However, if you come across other websites that you prefer, feel free to use those instead. The key is to find reliable and trustworthy platforms that suit your needs. Since I can only showcase one of the platforms, I have decided to go with ActiveCampaign for today's video example. Now let's dive into why we are searching for these types of websites and how we can utilize them to generate income even if we don't own a business ourselves. The way to earn money is by promoting these websites through their affiliate programs, which many of them have. Most of the time, if you scroll down to the bottom of the website, you will find a section dedicated to affiliates or affiliate marketing. For instance, on this website, you can see it labeled as affiliates. Clicking on that will take you to their affiliate page where you can gather all the necessary information. It's essential to understand that affiliate commissions are a percentage of the price of a product or website, which you earn when someone you refer makes a purchase. For example, if you refer someone who spends $50, you can earn a 30% commission based on their purchase. It's ideal to aim for higher commission rates, which is why I emphasize the importance of finding a good website at the beginning of the video. There are plenty of options available, and I encourage you to explore and choose the one that offers higher commissions. This particular website seems promising, but I believe you can discover even better contenders with higher commission rates. If you're unsure about which platform to use, you can go ahead and use the one I'm demonstrating in today's video completely free of charge. If you're enjoying our video so far, please remember to like and subscribe. By doing so, you won't regret it, and make sure to click the notification bell next to it. This way, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos, giving you the advantage to start earning money before anyone else among my lovely subscribers. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Now, let's discuss another crucial aspect to consider when exploring websites, which is their legitimacy and professionalism. When you promote something as an affiliate, the appearance and credibility of the website you're promoting greatly influence your ability to attract referrals and generate sales. If a website doesn't appear trustworthy or professional, your chances of convincing potential customers to make a purchase will significantly decrease. On the other hand, if you can find a website that exudes professionalism, has positive reviews, and instills confidence, your chances of success will be much higher. It's crucial for you to discover genuinely exceptional websites since both you and your potential customers will benefit from it. Furthermore, one of the main reasons I advised you to search for websites that assist businesses in marketing is because business owners often have more financial resources to invest in reliable platforms. For instance, on this particular website, you can see that they offer substantial payment for each referral. In some cases, calling it a high-paying program would be an understatement. Now, it's time for you to take action and sign up as an affiliate on your chosen website. To obtain your affiliate link, the process may vary depending on the website you have chosen. Typically, you will need to sign up by clicking on the appropriate button. After signing up, the website will request specific information such as your email, first name, last name, country of residence, and more. Once you have completed the sign-up process and gained access to the website's dashboard, you can retrieve your affiliate link. This link is crucial for generating traffic and, ultimately, earning money. Now let me demonstrate how you can easily utilize Google to find a plethora of potential customers. The method may seem unconventional, but it is effective. Start by using Google and think of any random business, such as a gym or a restaurant. Next, choose a location anywhere in the world. The actual location of your chosen business doesn't matter. It can exist in any area. For instance, I will search for Maryland gyms. This search will display a list of gyms located in Maryland. Take a moment to assess the results. Now, focus your attention and click on the designated button. This action will not only reveal the businesses on the map, but also provide links to their respective websites. This presents an opportunity for you to contact the business owners and promote your chosen website to them. The true power of this strategy lies in the fact that you can find businesses from any location worldwide, which means your potential customer base is virtually limitless. If you promote your website to around 100 people, which is certainly achievable, there is a strong likelihood that you will secure at least one purchase. In my case, this could potentially earn me over $1,000. The potential for success in this endeavor is significant. For those wondering where to locate the contact information, it is typically found either at the top or bottom of the webpage. In my specific case, I will find the email address. Once you have obtained the contact information, it is essential to compose a professional email. Introduce yourself and provide a comprehensive explanation of the website's purpose. Your aim should be to captivate and impress the recipient. You can use the following example as a template, making appropriate changes to tailor it to the specific business you have discovered. Alternatively, you can create a similar email that is both persuasive and effectively conveys how the website can greatly benefit their business. Ensure that your message is impactful and conveys the potential advantages they stand to gain. That covers the key points. If there are no further inquiries, I would like to express my sincere appreciation for watching today's video. We look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a fantastic remainder of the week.